Good morning, dear students. Nowadays I am taking revision, and today I will take revision from chapter 16, and name of the chapter 16 is the light and shadow. Light and shadow. As you know that we can't see in the dark. We can't see in the dark, and we need light to see things. We need light to see things. Without light we can't see, and we can see things clearly in bright light. And if light is not there, then we can't see the, and main source of light is the sun. Main source of light is the sun, and this light come through the sun rays. Through the sun rays we are getting light, and sunlight makes the day bright. Sunlight makes the day bright, and it helps to see things around us. It helps to see things around us. And the A ends with sunset, and it is dark at night, and during night it is dark. In dark we can't see clearly, and then we get light from different sources, man-made sources, that is the bulb, lamps, torches, tubes, burning candles, lanterns, etc. Shadows. When we go out in the open and look around, you will see several objects. You will see several objects such as plants, animals, poles, vehicles, etc. And when you have to stand with your face towards the sun, and when you have to look at your back, then you will see dark form on the ground is there, and this form just like your body in shape. It is just like your body in shape, and but its size will be different. And this dark form is your shadow, and this dark form is your shadow. This dark form is called your shadow. So this is the shadow. And when you have to look every object, then each object has a shadow, and so with that things cast shadows in light. If light is not there, then shadow will be not formed, and if light is there, then shadows will be formed. Now look about every object, and each object has a shadow of its own. So we see that things cast shadows in light. Formation of a shadow. How shadow formed? Three things are needed for formation of a shadow. Three things are needed for formation of a shadow. That is, the first one is the object, and second one is the source of light, and third one is the surface. What is the first one? Object, source of light, surface. And when we see the shadow of a tree, and then we can say that object means tree. Source of light is sun, and surface is the ground. So we can say that for formation of a shadow, three things are needed. That is the object, source of light, surface. And then the shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. Shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source, and the shape of the shadow also depends on it. The shape of the object, the shape of the shadows also depend on the shape of the object. length of the shadows. So we can say that in the morning and evening they are longer, shadows are formed longer, but in the afternoon it is shorter. So shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Observe the shadows in the morning. Observe the shadows in the morning, and they are fairly long, much longer than the objects. And at noon the shadows are shorter than the objects, and in the evening they are again longer like those in the morning. So shadow change in length and direction at different times. And observe the shadows in the morning, it is longer, and shadows are shorter than the objects during the afternoon. And what we have learned in this chapter, we need light to see things. We need light. Without light we can't see, so we need light to see the things. And as we know that sun is the main source of light, and this light we are getting from the sun rays. And as shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. When shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light, then shadow is formed. Three things are needed for formation of a shadow. First one is the object, second one is the source of light, and third one is the surface. Shadows always fall on the opposite side of the light source, and shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening, and shadows are shortest at noon. Nothing travels faster than the light. Nothing travels faster than the light. And in olden days, people could tell the time by looking at the position of the shadows made by the sun. So this is all about chapter 16, light and shadow. And in this chapter given what is the light, what is the sources of light, and shadow, what is the how shadow formed, and length of shadows. And we need light to see things. And as we know that sun is the main source of light, and this light we are getting from the sun rays. So come to the fill in the blanks. We need light to see things. The sun is the main source of light, and a shadow is dark shade formed by an object when it blocks light. The light travels through sun rays. Shadows change in length and direction at different times of the day. This is the fill in the blanks. And now take the right word. And in this, the sun, moon gives us light and heat. The sun gives us light and heat. And the shadow of an object is found on the opposite side of the light source. And shadows are long in the morning and evening, and shadows are shortest at noon. True, false. Shadows always fall on the opposite side of the light source. True. Shadows remain the same in length at different times of the day. False. Third one, sunlight makes the day bright. True. Things cast shadows in dark. False. The shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object. True. And D1, look at the trees and position of the sun. Draw the shadow for each tree. This one you have to do with yourself. Name 4 common sources of light: torch, bulb, lanterns, tube, etc. What is shadow? What is shadows? So shadow stand with your face towards the sun and now look at your back. You will see a dark form on the ground, and this will be just like your body in shape, but its size will be different. This dark form is your shadow. This dark form is your shadow. When a shadow forms, when something comes in the way of light, then shadow is formed. At what time of the day shadows are longer? Morning and evening. At what time of the day the shadows are shortest? At afternoon. This is all about chapter 16.